This new feature 2024 tutorial video will teach you how to add levels to scaffolding on paths. You don't need to place the scaffolding one by one to different levels, so this will save you a lot of time and improve your productivity. The objective of this tutorial video is to place scaffolding to multiple levels. So first step is to go More Options and search for Content Library. Then search for Scaffolding. Let's pick this, so click to download if it's gray. Then click Placement. And you will see a white pin. Now create a path. Left mouse click on the starting point until the end point. Then press Escape. Then next we can click on the white pin. And in Path Settings, you will see Add Level under Placement. Then we can change the levels to, for example, 5. Then click Enter. Or we can even change it to a higher level, such as 10. Now here is the result. Thank you for watching the video.